Alright, this is our 3S Rustler with the VXL motor. This thing is out of control. Oh, epic crash. Oh, and he lands it. Alright, Liam, let's see if you can get us. Oh, something broke. What was that? Oh, it's the wheelie bar dragging.
No.
Oh, the upper, that link came out. Oh well, another day of carnage here.
That's it? I'm not satisfied with that breakage.
Yeah, we can fix that actually. I have a bunch of screws for that. Yeah, this thing's out of control with the VXL motor. It's beyond too fast for it.
Undrivable.
It is borderline undrivable. Like, literally, can only go about half throttle with it at most, and it's still like it won't keep the front end on the ground. We have wrenches zip tied to the front end for weight, and it's not enough. It's too fast for a two-wheel drive car, that motor. Yeah, it just blows the tires off of it once it gets going fast enough. I think we've exceeded the limits of the tires, really. Ooh, that one's stuck in the woods. We've got this nice little hill here, and this turn here, and we got a nice straightaway up that way where we run them. I would pull the T-Max out today, but I blew the motor up on it, so we're just losing compression when it warms up. When it's cold, it starts right up and runs fine, but it's pretty much untunable and really lacks power once it warms up. So, where'd this thing go? Oh, I hear it.
Tire was almost on its rim.
What is this? Is that a freaking banana peel? What the heck kind of leaf is that? Oh, it's from this tree. Interesting. Looks like a banana peel. The leaf on this thing. Oh, gross. Look at that thing. It's like a big pea pod. Anywho. Oop. Out of one ditch and into another. Well, that's it for today. Since we broke it already, we're going to head back to the house. Say bye, Liam.